Hey guys, Michelle here from Ergonomictrends.com, and today I'm going to be looking at the Hbada Office Task Chair. At just over $120 at the time of review, this chair begs the question, can affordable still mean comfortable and ergonomic? That is what I sought to find out in the month I tested it. Assembly of the chair is relatively simple. Hbada even incorporates the cardboard box in the instructions to be used to prop up the backrest and seat as you attach the armrests. There was a little bit of difficulty in screwing in one of the armrest screws into the seat due to the lever being positioned right above it, but at the right angle I managed. With a net weight of just 25 pounds, one of the biggest strengths of the Hbada Task Chair is its high portability. It can be moved easily from room to room on a whim, across hardwood or carpeted floors. The chair has an official maximum capacity of 250 pounds, though given the nylon base and small frame, I'd say 180 pounds would be more accurate. In terms of adjustability, the Hbada office chair is rather limited, which is understandable given its budget price. The backrest can tilt up to 30 degrees, though you cannot lock the angle. There is a tilt tension control knob allowing you to customize the force required to rock the backrest to periodically release spinal pressure from sitting upright. The lumbar support on the Hbada Task Chair is fixed and for a 5'4" person like myself is positioned perfectly to give good support. I can see this being the case for people up to around 5'8" tall. Unlike higher-end office chairs, the seat depth is also fixed at 19 inches, but this should fit most people just fine. You can adjust the height of the chair from between 16 inches to 19 3/4 inches, measured from the floor to the top of the seat. Because of my height, I've had issues before with chairs that don't quite go low enough for my feet to sit flat against the floor, but I can easily do this with this chair without using the minimum setting. The height range should be comfortable for people between 5 and 6 foot tall. If you have a low desk and like to sit with the chair partially under the desk, the flip-up arms on the Hbada are perfect to let you do that. On the other hand, even at their maximum height, they only reach 27 3/4 inches, which is too low to line up with a standard 29-inch desk. This means they aren't that helpful in supporting your arms when you're working. If you look at the Hbada office chair from a distance, it's beautiful. The sleek black and white color scheme and simple design will make any office look professional. However, upon close inspection, I noticed a few flaws on the white plastic parts of the chair. The screw covers also don't seem to fit their intended spots very well and are a different material and color from the rest of the chair. The Hbada is obviously no Herman Miller, but it is fairly comfortable, at least for short bouts of sitting. In the month I've had it, the seat cushion's padding has retained its bounciness and hasn't deformed. The lack of a more pronounced waterfall edge on the seat is a pity, however, as there were some moments during longer 8+ hour sessions at the desk where I felt pressure building up in my thighs. I resolved this somewhat by lowering the chair a little bit more. The mesh back provides strong lumbar support and good ventilation, making it great in hotter climates. The mesh is made from a fairly smooth material that doesn't irritate your skin if you're wearing a tank top, for example. As a serial sloucher, I am always looking for ergonomic chairs to give me a good reason not to slouch. During testing, I would unconsciously fold my leg under myself and sit on it, but this chair didn't let me do that for long, proving significantly less comfortable when I was denying it of its purpose. This made me conscious of my bad positioning quite quickly so I could then fix it. Overall, you won't be blown away by any particular aspect of the Hbada Task Chair, but you won't be sorely disappointed either. It is a decent office chair perfect for the average to petite-sized user on a budget. Follow the link in the description to read the full review on Ergonomictrends.com, where you can also get other chair reviews as well as guides and articles that can help you improve your office health and ergonomics.